The Change Management for Productive AI course, a step-by-step guide, is a great opportunity to learn how to implement and manage changes in processes related to productive AI. In this course, you will learn effective change management techniques and strategies that can help organizations successfully integrate productive AI technologies into their processes. The price of this course is currently 40% off at around €12. And if you purchase this course, you will have full-time access to this course. If a new version of the course is released, you can update the course to use the new version. The duration of this course is currently 2 hours, and after completion, you will receive a certificate for this course. In this course, you will learn, develop a comprehensive generative AI change management plan, conduct readiness assessments and create actionable AI scorecards, and other topics. I plan to make this course available to you for free. And you can access all parts of the course for free and completely legally without paying anything. And even get a certificate. Just open your browser and search for skilldiscounts.com in your search engine. Click on this link among the results and make sure the site address is the same as the one shown here. After clicking on the link, you will be taken to the skilldiscounts.com homepage. On this page you can see all the courses offered on the Udemy site with discount coupons, including the course we are considering, which you can see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, simply click on this link. The course page will open for you. You can also view the course details here. And to access the discount coupon for this course, scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course for free through skilldiscounts.com. And now instead of the original price, I get this course for free. Please note that there are currently 3 days left of the course discount. And the discount coupon has been automatically applied to you here. You can use this course for free and legally, so easily. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Even go to different categories or go to the All Free Online Courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.